Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys 4 hair tools that I use daily to keep my hair looking healthy and defined all week. I just recently found out about the importance of using hair tools, and since I've been using them, I've been seeing a lot of improvement in my hair. And by the way guys, all the tools I'm going to be using in this video are going to be super affordable. You'll be able to get them at a beauty supply or anywhere that sells hair products and hair tools. But without further ado guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first hair tool is going to be the head scrubber. I like using the head scrubber because it really gets the week's product buildup, and on top of that, it's a head massager, so it really stimulates the scalp, promoting hair growth. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this tool, so I'm going to grab some shampoo and I'm going to start scrubbing. Alright, so now that the shampoo's in my hair, I'm going to take the head scrubber and I'm just going to go on my scalp. Alright guys, so now that I just used the head scrubber, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the shampoo out and then we'll move on to the next tool. Alright, I just washed out the shampoo from my hair, so now we're gonna start with the next hair tool. Up next, we have the Denman Brush. The Denman Brush is probably one of my favorite brushes to use, only because it works for everything. It's especially made for curly hair, it detangles your hair, it spreads out product evenly, and it also helps with curl definition. So swap your brush if you don't have one already. Now, I'm gonna show you how to use it. So I'm just gonna grab some conditioner, and I'm just gonna put it in my hair. I'm gonna spread it out evenly and then we'll start reusing the brush. So now that I have the conditioner in my hair, I'm just gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just going to grab a piece of hair and just brush it out. Alright, so something cool you could do with this brush, if you don't feel like finger coiling, you could take a strand of hair and you could just rotate it with the brush. And it coils it up perfectly. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with the brush and I'm done putting the conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna go wash this out and then we'll start using the next tool. Alright guys, so I just let my hair dry. I also put in some leave-in conditioner, some gel, and some coconut oil just to make my curls look nice and defined, but there's also one more step. So we're gonna be moving on to the second to last hair tool that's really gonna help my hair look a lot better. The last tool is going to be a hair pick. And I know what you guys are thinking. You just put it in your hair and bring it up. That's how you use a hair pick. But there's a different way to use a hair pick for curly hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use a hair pick. So basically what you guys wanna do is just take the hair pick, and instead of going on the sides and picking your hair out all the way, you're just gonna go from the middle and you're just gonna bring it up like that and then pull it out. Up a little bit, pull it out. You don't wanna go all the way up. Up a little bit, pull it out. Up a little bit, pull it out. So you're basically gonna wanna do this like all over your head. I like doing this a lot because if you guys noticed already, my hair likes to droop down on the sides of my head. Sometimes I like having a wet look, sometimes I like having a dry look. If I wanna have a dry look, most of the time I'm gonna use a pick and I'm just gonna do the same process, only because when I have a dry look, I don't want my hair drooping off the sides because it'll just look weird first of all. And if you're doing a dry look, it just looks better if you have your hair up. So you're just gonna wanna do this all over your head. So as you guys can see, my hair is looking a lot more full. I know it's like kind of uneven right now, but that's an easy fix with just your hands. But This is the most effective way to use a hair pick for curly hair. Alright guys, so the last tool is going to be the head massager. This is a really good tool. It helps promote healthy hair, a healthy scalp, just as we used with the head scrubber. But this is really relaxing, it's really smooth. I use this more than a day than I play my game. I love using this only because my hair's gotten a lot longer from it. It's like a really good practice. You get used to it, you just start doing it out of the blue. It's a really simple tool. You just put it on your head and you just do that. You can also just like go like this on your hair too. But this is just a simple and great tool in general. I highly recommend getting this. But this is the very last tool, and guys, that's the end of the video. This is what my hair is looking like after I used all the tools. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a really easy process. Guys, let me know in the comments if you used it, if you liked it. I'll definitely link the products in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.